What made the high school legend become a legend? We had this substitute teacher, Mrs. Patterson, who treated her classroom like a military base. Zero tolerance for anything. No talking, no moving, no breathing wrong. She'd confiscated phones from half our class that week for absolutely nothing. Tyler wasn't the type to cause trouble. Quiet kid who kept to himself. But what Mrs. Patterson didn't know was that Tyler's mom was in an abusive relationship with his stepdad, and Tyler was often her only lifeline during emergencies. His phone had been taken twice that month for ridiculous reasons. Once for it vibrating in his backpack, another time for the screen lighting up when someone called. Tyler had tried explaining to Patterson that his mom sometimes needed emergency contact, but she cut him off. Personal problems stay at home. School is for learning. Wednesday, during our silent reading period, Tyler's phone started buzzing repeatedly in Patterson's desk drawer. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Then again and again. Patterson glared at the drawer like it had personally offended her. "Mr. Chen, your device is disrupting my classroom." Tyler looked up, panic flashing across his face. "Mrs. Patterson, could I please check that? My mom might need help." "Absolutely not. You should have thought about that before bringing distractions to school." The buzzing continued. Tyler was gripping his book so hard his knuckles went white. "Please, I'm begging you. My stepdad gets violent and my mom calls me when things get bad." Patterson rolled her eyes. "Every student has drama at home. That's not my problem." Tyler's phone buzzed again, then fell silent. 5 minutes later, Tyler stood up abruptly. "I need to check my phone now. Sit down immediately or you're going to the principal." Tyler walked to her desk. "My mom could be hurt. I need to call her back." "Touch my desk and you're suspended." That's when Tyler did something that made him a legend forever. He pulled out the classroom phone and dialed 911. "I need police to do a welfare check on my mother. She was trying to reach me about domestic violence, but my teacher confiscated my phone and won't let me respond. The address is 247 Oak Street." Patterson went ballistic. "Hang up that phone right now. You're making this up." Tyler held the phone away from her. "My stepfather has a history of violence. My mother, Maria Chen, tried calling multiple times, but I couldn't answer because my phone was confiscated." The 911 operator kept Tyler on the line while dispatching units. Patterson was screaming about policies and consequences, while Tyler calmly gave the operator details about his family situation. 20 minutes later, the principal burst in with a police officer. "Mrs. Patterson, we need to discuss your phone policy." The officer looked at Tyler. "Son, we found your mother. She's safe now, but she was locked in a bathroom hiding from your stepfather. She'd been trying to reach you for help." Tyler's face crumpled with relief. The officer turned to Patterson. "This young man potentially prevented a serious assault by calling for help when you refused to allow emergency contact." Patterson stammered about rules and disruptions. "Ma'am, domestic violence calls are life or death situations. Your policy nearly prevented emergency response." Tyler's mom arrived an hour later, safe but shaken. She hugged Tyler and thanked the officer who'd responded to their house. "My son saved me today by refusing to follow a rule that put me in danger." Patterson was immediately removed from the substitute list. Tyler became a legend for choosing his mother's safety over school rules. Sometimes being a legend means knowing which rules deserve to be broken.